To tell you frankly, at the beginning, I'm not convinced. But then, as I see how you deal with it, nang nakita ko yung how you want the students to learn from you, doon ko na-realize it's reasonable. That's the only way that students will learn from you. Kasi otherwise, this will be just a piece of information that we just hear and then probably might not be able to use it. So doon ko na-appreciate yung technique nyo. You know, that's probably the reason why you're the best. Because you have that power to educate people, but at the same time, make a difference in their lives. Nabago mo yung nabago mo yung confidence ko, nabago mo yung mentality ko, yung mga fears ko. Nabawas, hindi man nawala totally. I'm telling you, hindi pa siya nawala totally, but nabawasan siya. Kasi, you gave me a boost. You gave me confidence na kaya, doable. Believe in yourself, believe in God. I believe in God. I have a good relationship with God. But somehow, andun pa rin kasi yung fear, ang taas pa din ng fear that now I have 1-year plan. Because of this one, I have a 1-year plan, you know, that I have to look forward to now. It might not probably be 1 year, probably 2 years, but at least I have a definite plan that I want to open a storefront. Now it's a solid decision na. Kasi before, when I was sharing last week, I have this, now, may mga stories ako nababasa na in 5 years, they close. You know, why even bother to start, di ba? Kung magko-close rin lang in 5 years time. But with you now, with what you did to us, Miss Wanda, I'm telling you, hands off.